When the comet approaches the sun, the Earth will be on the opposite side, and we will not be able to see it. But at that moment, it could maneuver to slow down and visit us. The question arises, was this trajectory designed by some extraterrestrial intelligence? In the depths of space, a secret unfolds that could redefine human existence. Michio Kaku, a name associated with pushing the boundaries of physics, sounds the alarm about something truly unprecedented. We are tracking the comet Tri-I Atlas and interstellar marvel, but the real sensation is that it is not a single object. It is a fleet of 9 dark, stealthy entities, silent and invisible, that accompany Atlas on a trajectory threatening our planet. The most shocking fact is that these objects violate all known laws of traditional astronomy. Is there something guiding Atlas? What truly causes this anxiety? This discovery that Tri-A Atlas does not travel alone. Instead, it seems he is accompanied by an invisible escort of 9 dark objects. These objects are not just difficult to recognize, they are, to put it mildly, beyond the capabilities of our most advanced telescopes for proper identification. Imagine looking into the deepest, darkest corners of space and sensing something enormous yet completely invisible. This is the situation astronomers are currently facing. These 9 dark satellites, whoever they are, move in perfect formation with Tri-A Atlas, each emitting 20 gigawatts of energy. This energy is enough to power many homes, but they remain completely hidden. Data gathered and confirmed by giants like the James Webb and Hubble telescopes painted a picture that was both thrilling and unsettling. Spectroscopy revealed strange elements in these glowing anomalies: nickel, cobalt, and alloys unknown in any natural comet. This is not just an icy lump in space, it is something entirely different. Some tried to explain this data as simple fragments, but Avi Loeb from Harvard, a man familiar with controversial cosmic theories, suggested that these are not fragments at all. He called it what it looks like: mother submarine dropping probes. The speed of comet Tri-I Atlas is marble. It races through our solar system at about 38 miles per second, or around 136,800 miles per hour. This makes it one of the fastest objects ever recorded in our cosmic neighborhood. But the presence of 9 hidden objects emitting energy, moving with such precision, suggests something more than random celestial mechanics. It's not just a comet passing by. This is a meticulously organized event, or so the anxious theories claim. Many people are captivated by the idea of extraterrestrial life, and this discovery aligns perfectly with deep human interests. The fact that they are dark and do not reflect light in a normal way makes them even more mysterious. Are they in invisibility? Are they made of materials that absorb all light? The technology required for this would be truly astonishing. The scale of this phenomenon is hard to grasp. The comet Tri-E Atlas is estimated to be several miles in diameter, but its 9 satellites remain a mystery, their sizes and composition hidden behind an incomprehensible darkness. Nevertheless, their energy signature, totaling 20 gigawatts of power from each, speaks volumes. This is not a passive journey. It is an active presence. The scientific community, usually reserved, found itself in unfamiliar waters. The journey of Tri-A Atlas will take her 135 million miles from the Sun, just inside Mars's orbit. Although NASA assures us that Tri-J Atlas does not pose a direct threat to Earth, the nature of its satellites deeply concerns Dr. Kaku. What could travel so far, remain hidden, and emit such power? We stand on the brink of a new understanding, a revelation that could shake our foundations. What else is hidden in plain sight, or rather, in the obvious darkness? Why can't we see them? The idea of 9 dark objects accompanying a comet is truly astonishing. But how can something so large, emitting such power, remain invisible to our most powerful telescopes? Here, science becomes truly intriguing. The reason why the satellites of Tri-Epsilon Atlas are so difficult to identify is related to the limits of our observational technology. Our telescopes, from Hubble to James Webb, primarily register light. For an object to be visible, it must either emit light like a star or reflect it like a planet. The fact that these 9 objects are described as dark means that they do neither in a way that our modern tools can easily capture. Considering the vastness of space, objects traveling from other star systems may be made of materials completely unknown to us. What if these objects are covered with a substance that absorbs 99.9% of all electromagnetic radiation, making them almost invisible? No one says that even a small change in reflectivity can make an object disappear against the black backdrop of space. If these objects are truly as large as suggested by their energy output, a covering or construction for camouflage would be a technological marvel. The astonishing composition, nickel, cobalt, and unknown alloys, also calls traditional theories into question. Natural comets usually consist of ice, dust, and stones. The presence of such a high concentration of certain metals hints at an artificial origin. To put it mildly, this is not just a clumpy piece of cosmic ice. Energy output of 20 gigawatts for an object supported over interstellar distances requires an internal energy source that surpasses anything we have. A modern nuclear power plant can generate 1 to 3 gigawatts. Imagine 9 objects, each producing 10 to 20 times more without a visible energy trace. Many overlook the subtle dance of gravity. Though these objects are dark, they still possess mass. Their gravitational pull, even if slight, could be detected if they were massive enough and close to other celestial bodies. However, if they are relatively small, say a few miles in diameter, their individual gravitational effects may be too weak to distinguish them from cosmic background noise, especially at distances of millions of miles. Nevertheless, if they truly control the three-eyed atlas, it implies a managed, unnatural system of movement. This leads us into the realm of advanced engineering, visible everywhere in science fiction. The idea that advanced civilizations use invisibility technology is a common theme. However, encountering something that seems like real data is an entirely different story. The problem is enormous. How can one study what cannot be seen? How to understand a technology that seems to contradict our physical laws? The search for answers forces us to expand our scientific tools and theoretical frameworks to the fullest. This makes one ponder whether our understanding of the universe is too limited to grasp the true nature of what may lie beyond it. These 9 dark objects pose a serious challenge, urging us to look beyond the confines of our current knowledge. What secrets do they hold, and what will their close approach reveal? Whispers of advanced civilizations. The appearance of a three-eyed atlas with its mysterious companions is not an isolated phenomenon. It becomes part of a growing dossier on enigmatic interstellar visitors. The first confirmed interstellar object was Oumuamua, discovered in 2017, which became the starting point for this cosmic drama. Its strange, cigar-shaped form and unexpected acceleration puzzled scientists. Many became fascinated with the idea that Oumuamua could be an alien probe, and figures like Harvard professor Avi Loeb supported this controversial hypothesis, suggesting it might be technology of extraterrestrial origin, a relic of a distant civilization. Then, in the year 2019, Icy Borisov appeared, a more familiar-looking comet, yet still an interesting visitor. These 2 objects prove that our solar system is a cosmic crossroads. But no one mentions that the discovery of these objects has only become possible in recent years due to more powerful sky observations. For billions of years, countless interstellar objects have likely passed by us unnoticed. This means that if advanced civilizations are indeed sending probes, we have likely missed many opportunities to observe them. However, the arrival of the three-eyed atlas with its 9 dark satellites is on a completely different level. If Oumuamua hinted at a solitary probe, then the three-eyed atlas with its fleet implies something much more complex. The idea of an entire fleet of such objects creates an effect that changes the entire discussion. It's no longer about a single strange stone. It's about a potential armada, albeit silent and hidden. What many overlook is the vast distances that must be crossed. Even at the incredible speed of 3-eye atlases, a journey from another star system takes thousands, sometimes even millions of years. This means that if these objects were artificially created, the civilization that developed them must be incredibly ancient and technologically advanced. They would need materials capable of withstanding the harsh conditions of space vacuum, extreme radiation, and impacts from interstellar dust over a long time. Their energy sources must be self-sufficient, possibly harnessing energy directly from the vacuum of space. Softly speaking, this is not just a simple journey, it is a testament to incredible longevity. The mystery of their darkness is also connected to the vastness of the universe. In our Milky Way galaxy, it is estimated that there are between 100 and 400 billion stars. Statistically, it's incredible that Earth is the only planet with intelligent life. If even a small fraction of these star systems hosts advanced civilizations, their technologies would appear to us as magic, indistinguishable from natural phenomena. as Michio Kaku often reminds us. The silent movement of these dark objects with a three-eyed atlas serves as a frightening reminder of how much we still do not know. It prompts us to ponder that our search for extraterrestrial intelligence may be directed in the wrong ways, seeking incorrect signals. We can listen to radio waves when they communicate through quantum entanglement, or search for visible light when they use technologies that make them elusive. The space journey of these objects continues, serving as a silent witness to the deep mysteries of the universe. Are these interstellar visitors just the beginning of a larger cosmic exchange? Earth's place in space. The unfolding saga of the three-eyed Atlas comet and its 9 invisible satellites evokes a deep sense of urgency. Although NASA assures us that the three-eyed Atlas poses no threat to Earth, passing at a safe distance of about 170 million miles, the consequences of its appearance are overwhelming. It is not about the immediate threat, but about a fundamental shift in our understanding of the universe. The most shocking fact is that we may witness a cosmic event of unprecedented significance that could redefine humanity's views on life beyond Earth. Many overlook the pure scientific possibility. Studying the three-eyed Atlas, even without its dark companions, is a rare gift. Interstellar objects carry crystal-clear material from other star systems, giving us a chance to explore the cosmic ingredients of distant worlds. Imagine molecules and elements from a star system thousands of light years away, delivered right to our cosmic doorstep. But with the addition of these 9 dark objects, the stakes become astronomically higher. The theoretical works of Dr. Michio Kaku often delve into areas such as wormholes and advanced alien civilizations. His concerns, though sometimes exaggerated, stem from a deep understanding of physics that allows for contemplation of possibilities we can barely grasp. When a mind like Kaku's points to an anomaly of such scale, it draws attention and prompts us to consider scenarios that previously seemed only fantastic. The idea that these dark objects could serve as navigators suggests the presence of a purposeful, intelligent design. If the phenomenon of dark objects turns out to be something more than a natural event, we will have to face the possibility that we are not just observers of the cosmos, but also potential objects of observation. This raises many questions that challenge our identity. Are we alone in the universe? If not, how advanced are other civilizations? What are their intentions? The problem of detecting these objects highlights a serious gap in our current space security system. If something massive and powerful can approach almost unnoticed, what else might be hiding in space? Our planet is constantly bombarded by small asteroids, but the idea of technologically advanced objects approaching stealthily changes the rules. This highlights the critical need for a more advanced network of sensors. This urgency is driven not by panic, but by a thirst for knowledge. The closer the Three Eyes comet and its mysterious satellites approach, the more data we will gather. Each fleeting observation becomes an important clue in the cosmic detective story. This is a decisive moment, a chance to truly glimpse the vast, unexplored possibilities of the universe. The mystery of these 9 dark objects makes us realize our own technological limitations. Could we ever create something so advanced? As the Three Eyes comet continues its journey through our solar system, accompanied by 9 elusive satellites, humanity stands at the crossroads of understanding. Initial concerns raised by figures like Michio Kaku, while fueled by public interest, serve as an important awakening signal, reminding us that the universe is much stranger and possibly more populated than our current scientific models suggest. It is important to remember that scientific inquiry thrives on both observation and speculation. The discovery of the Three Eyes comet is a reality. It is a true interstellar comet. However, 9 dark objects and theories about motherships stem from interpretations of unusual data. Although they are captivating, these ideas remain hypotheses lacking definitive proof of artificial origin. This is the distinction that concerns many, but is often overlooked. The difference between confirmed astronomical data and exciting but unverified interpretations that stir public imagination. Are we ready for what these dark objects might reveal if they are not just fragments of commentary? If this cosmic mystery keeps you on edge, don't forget to support us and follow new, amazing discoveries.